Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a simple three video short series on just completing every single task in Among Us, because I am also not sure what I'm going to do. Can I just say I was attempting to do the hat trick, yeah. That's why my head's like this. So as I'm doing this, I just want to tell you that I have a Twitch stream now, because YouTube doesn't allow me to stream my screen, or as what I know of. If you know that if I can, please leave a comment. So yeah, I have all my time. Should I start? Okay, I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm not gonna time. Just gonna do it. Oh gosh. Okay, I have no plan at all. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, let's go. I think what I'm gonna do is map B first. Map B. Scan. After map B scan, I go inspect sample. I think there's a whole ton of electrical tasks. Let's do that. Let's go up. Let's get my task in electrical. Okay. What is that? Okay. There's so many tasks to be honest. Just really taskbar. Yeah, I have no plan for what I'm going to do. I mean, no, not no plan. I mean, I have no plan on like the route or anything before. So, basically, what I'm just gonna do is this. Gonna do skill. After that, then I'm gonna head over to mirror and bonus. Look at the taskbar. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, lower engine. Okay, my might be almost done. There's still storage through engines. Okay, I have so many tasks in electrical. Also, yeah, good luck. 3, 2, 1. Every single task. Oh, it's a lot of driver power. Oh, I get it. Okay. Oh, straight wiring, dude. Let's go. Let's go, dude. Security. Comms. Lower engine. Look at oh my god, dude, look at my arrows, dude. Look at the amount of arrows I have. Still not. Oh, if I need. Why did I choose to do this? Mainly for the content. I just want to say I'm not good at all. Okay. I am not good at all. Okay, that just makes feature. I am not good at all. I'm playing on BlueStacks. Okay, guys, use BlueStacks. It's a Samsung emulator. It's basically not Samsung. It's an emulator for Android. It's an Android emulator. So I'm using it, and then you can just play any game literally. Like some people may know Clash Royale, you can play that on BlueStacks. That's why I find it so funny. So most like when I play with my friends, they're like, why do you have so much money to spend it on the Steam version? I say no, I just use BlueStacks. Okay, that's so little. My aim's at least under 10 minutes. Let's hope to make this video less than 10 minutes. Are we going well? I don't know what to say. Honestly, it's also good practice, because, you're more likely to be create an imposter, logically. Although, for some people, they have just amazing RNG. So you need to practice tasks like sitting down there downloading. Practice, the patience. Missed one. Missed one. Thank you. Accept power. Usually, when I play Among Us with friends, it's minimum, the speed is minimum 1.75. So this is really slow for me. We don't play 3. It's mainly 1.75 to 2.25. I would say. Because they also like speedy, and because we just want the game to approach at a faster pace so we can play more times. Oh, the admin upload loop. Yeah, I'm gonna put that one more round. Wait, did I put storage fuel engine? I just gonna check. Storage. Yeah, I have storage fuel engines. Oh gosh, storage. Okay, there's so many tasks. That's so many tasks. Yeah, that's right. Wait. Oh, I have it. Okay, I have it. Okay, that's it. Security. Do I have anything down here? No. Get the map. Okay, the map has started to reduce, but I'm starting to believe. I'm just gonna complete the left side anyway. I'm just gonna go back to a low engine. I just want to complete the left side once and for all. It's mainly storage, admin storage, MacB admin. It's a lot of admin tasks. Oh, the amount of admin upload data, dude. Look at that. Look at the amount of admin upload data. Oh gosh. Just gonna do that once. Do that twice. That's admin. Oh, this is a nearest street. Okay, the amount of admin upload data. Imagine everything just admin upload data. I don't understand how they do the task as scaled so fast. I just don't understand how do they do it so fast. I think doing it fast is a lot on good RNG. Because if I'm not download as RNG is good RNG, and also your skills that depend on the amount of time you take, like the reactor. Another one, like the reactor and the what's that? I forgot. Wiring. Another upload. Come on, admin. So I've got another one of them. So admin. So I've got 2 tasks left. Wow, look at the amount of tasks I have. I do practice on all the maps. So I practice at least of them. It's like, good game. Good done. Yes, okay, so I think we're done here. So now I'm going to head on to Mira. See you in the next video.